my garage.
This is not my car right here. This is like a fancy Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, some cool old Mercedes, fancy Porsche right here, fancy Lamborghini, Corvette over there, all kinds of cool cars. Today's an exciting day, guys. You saw in the last few videos, we got a black Tesla P100D Model X. I've got my car here. We came to our friends at Lux Auto Spa. Here she is. She's right there. This is our stock Tesla. And the nice thing about the P100D is it does come with red calipers, but outside of that, there's not much more that they do to it. The paint on this is just your standard paint. What we're going to do is put some sort of coat on it so that the paint will last longer. I'm really excited about it. Do you remember the race that we did where I raced the Tesla? That was Lux Auto Spa. That was Cougar that set that up. Well, he's gonna be the one today that's going to pimp our ride. What I think we're gonna do also is get rid of the chrome. So make it chrome delete. So you put black over all of the chrome. The front two windows are not tinted when you get it right from Tesla, so we need to get some tint on there. Here are some before shots, and you can see I didn't even wash it. It has like dead bugs on it and stuff. Look, we even have footprints on here and all these dead bugs. I also want to know your thoughts. If this were your Tesla, which things would you want to do? And yes, this is another Model X that they have in here, but it's not just that. We've got a Ford Raptor behind us, which is like the top dog of Ford trucks. This is the car that for some reason, a lot of YouTubers love this and they want this. So, or the truck, I guess. So they're doing a nice satin wrap on this. Look how nice that is. Lux Auto Spa also has been taking on a ton of Tesla Model 3s now that people are taking deliveries of them. This one right here is just getting the front end paint protection on it so that the paint will last longer and look good. So like right now on the hood, it looks the same as the rest of the car. There really is paint protection on that right now. And it's a good idea for a Model 3 or for any car that you want to keep looking good for a long time. What's inside? The little side autopilot camera that you have on here. Never thought I'd have one Tesla. I can't believe now we're on our second Model X right now. And this one's gonna look really good because this one's mine. This is the black one. I'm pumped, so stay tuned.
So Dan bought a new Tesla. It's a black Model X, you know, one of the performance editions. It looks pretty cool. And he told me he was gonna come in and get it coated with a clear coating, but leave it black. To me, that's pretty boring. I think his Tesla should be the same color as my truck. So I came here to the same spot he took his Tesla. It's inside there somewhere. Dan and I can be twinners. It's not as cool as my Tacoma, but at least it'll match color-wise. Because nothing really beats the color of a Tacoma.
What's up, man? Long time no see. I haven't seen you since Limitless. Here to come by and check out Dan's car?
It's gonna look way better as a different color.
In order to properly install a Model X windshield, we have to remove the wiring that goes down to the rearview mirror, as well as we have to remove the rearview mirror. Dan just moved to St. George, Utah, so this will really help with heat, UV, and IR rejection inside the vehicle.
Oh, that looks sick. This side looks way better than this side.
The day is here. Surprise, we don't live in Salt Lake City anymore, so I had to fly in today. I don't know why, but Zach was like, hey man, you picking up your car? I'd love to help you out. Zach's picking me up at the airport. I'm pumped to see the car. It's been about a month because I've been traveling a bunch, but here we go. Woo, look at that dirty truck, man. How's it going?
It's going good.
So I know I told you guys earlier in the video what they're going to do. Lux Auto Spa is packed right now with different people bringing in their Teslas because the paint protection is helpful, especially in a state like Utah where there's a lot of salt on the roads. They put this layer of protection over your paint, and then they put it's like a PPE, I think they call it, and then the next layer is this ceramic coating. So it's 2 layers. When I was growing up, whenever I heard the term like clear bra, I would think of those cars that would put that plastic on the front, and then a few years down the road, it just looked nasty, and I don't want anything to do with that. Well, the technology is a lot better now, and it's supposed to look really good, and you can actually take it off, and your paint is still in almost brand new condition, and you can put a different layer on at that point. So, we're pulling up. Look at this, there's a Model 3 right there. Oh, look at that. There's the shop. What is that car? What?
That looks good.
It might be a little difficult to see like before and after. It should be shinier and prettier plus the chrome delete. Hopefully you can see the difference because these guys are the best at doing this. Any thoughts, Zach, before this happens here?
Let's go in.
Take care, guys. All right, there's Zach's car, nice and dirty. Mine is about to be a lot cleaner than Zach's car.
I mean, it's dirty. It's a truck. It's supposed to be dirty.
You can wash it every once in a while.
When it rains, it gets washed.
Jeez, this guy. We loaded up with a bunch of really important food like Reese's Puffs and Oreos. They're doing a food drive today. It's the holidays, so we're gonna drop some of this stuff off. So these are the food bank items. Zach and I just donated Oreos and Reese's Puffs. Hey, it's good food. Here's our guy right here, Cougar.
What's happening, man?
All right, is it ready?
It's ready. You ready for it?
I'm ready to see it.
It's been a minute.
My car better not be pink, that's all I gotta say.
No promises. No promises.
By the way, if you don't know the pink reference, Zach has challenged me to a race, and he's put it out there on social media, so I think it's gonna happen. We wanna do a race that is on-road and off-road. So he thinks his Tacoma, that little guy out there, that little dirty truck out there.
Little guy?
It's tiny. He thinks that that could beat the Tesla in a race. Whoever loses has to wrap their car pink. Sound like a good idea?
Might be able to help you out with that.
Yeah, Cougar had an idea that maybe we go to an actual racetrack. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, because I feel bad for Zach wrapping his truck pink, but it was his idea, so under this Lamborghini thing right here is the Tesla Model X. This is the car. It's been a while, guys. I've missed my car. All right, let's see this Tesla. It's been forever. I'm not gonna look yet. What? It's gray. What the heck? It looks good, but it's gray.
Matches my truck, man.
What do you think?
It looks really good. I didn't know I was gonna have a jerry rig everything truck. You put what's inside on the little handles. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm not even paying attention to the camera right now. I'm just checking it out. Oh, look at the windows, how dark the tint is. This looks amazing.
You like it?
Have you ever done this to a Model X before?
No, this is the first, man. Usually Model X and Tesla owners, they really like to kind of be a little more conservative with this, so this was a really fun project for us. Originally, as you know, we were just going to put the Expel full body paint protection film wrap on it.
Right, it was just going to be black.
Yeah.
And now I've got a gray car.
Zach knows how much you always wanted a gray car, so he came in, we switched it up a little bit. On your wheel center caps and as well as your distance, we have little gray touches as well.
Oh, I see it. Okay, so that's gray right there. That didn't used to be gray. This right here is gray. Check that out, Cerakoting, so that is not coming off. It is black. This is black, this is black. It looks good though. It's like a matte black finish.
And the cool part about all of this is that it can come off. It's not like permanent, so when you do lose the race and it's time to make it pink, it's a very easy transition.
He's so funny. He's funny. Zach's Tacoma with custom mud on the side because the dude does not know how to wash a car.
Whenever the heavens want my truck washed, it'll happen.
So before versus after Lux Auto Spa, thank you for helping me with this. Like Cougar, this is awesome. It looks really good. Zach, thanks for the gray color. I don't know that I would have done this on my own, but I love what it looks like.
I think it matches way better than I thought it would. Now you can look as good as my truck, I guess.
If you want to check out Lux, we'll put a link in the description to all the things that they do. All right, that's a wrap. Ah, it looks so good. Looks so good. So happy. I'm happy with this. It looks so good.